Hi there! Welcome to Debutify. In this quick video, I'll guide you through the back-to-top widget, a simple yet powerful feature that enhances your store's navigation experience. This widget lets you personalize how customers return to the top of your page, making browsing smoother and more intuitive. It's subtle, effective, and fully customizable. To access the back-to-top widget, click on Debutify Widgets and select Back to Top. To enable or disable it, go to Theme Settings, Growth Widgets. Once enabled, go back to Debutify Widgets, Back to Top. Here, you can customize all its settings, such as Show On. Decide where the Back to Top button will be displayed. Desktop appears only when customers browse on a desktop or laptop. Mobile appears only on mobile devices. Both displays across all devices. Position, choose where the button appears on the screen. Left, bottom left corner. Center, bottom center of the screen. Right, bottom right corner, most commonly used. Arrow icon, select from multiple arrow styles to match your store's design. Custom arrow icon. Upload your own icon for a fully branded look. Enable background animation. Add a visual touch with animated backgrounds. You can enable or disable this option. Display after scrolling. Control how far a visitor must scroll before the button appears. For example, show after scrolling 200 pixels. Border size. Adjust the thickness of the button's border. For example, 16 pixels. Border radius. Control how rounded the button corners appear. For example, 40 pixels for a fully rounded look. Color schemes. Match the widget to your store's theme with light background, primary background, secondary background, dark background, custom. Create your own color palette for full control. And that's it! Once you've customized your settings, preview your store on both desktop and mobile to make sure your back-to-top button looks great and functions smoothly. The back-to-top widget may be a small detail, but it makes a big difference in navigation and user experience. Thanks for watching, and happy customizing with Debutify theme.